Yeah.
Is it possible now you did a Dubb integration, and now that can you do that with Dubb, where somebody register on the event and then send a video? Because of, I know you did some kind of integration. Now you can the syncing.
Yeah. So that's my last thing. We've
That's a cherry on the top.
Yeah. So what it does now, whenever you come into your Dubb section, this has changed. You need to make sure that you enter your Dubb API key. If it's not in there, you may need to re-enter it because we're doing some things different and it has to be set up a little bit different. But you put in your Dubb API key, you click on save and test. It'll make sure it's connected. And you can do the same thing with the tags, where you can say, if I put them on a Dubb tag, I want them sent over to Dubb. Okay, you can save that. You can do a manual send if you got a bunch of people that are already tagged with something and you want to make sure that they're sent over. You can click on manual sync and it'll do that. You can test the connection or you can stop it. I was talking with Darius yesterday. The webhook part of it, they are working on their end so that it will send, if they open a video, if they play a video, stuff like that, it would send from Dubb to us as a new date. So a customer played video date, whatever, and it would update the date. They are working on that on their side of it to make that happen right now.
Okay.